Hey everyone, how's it going? It's time for another Godzilla Sonic mashup drawing, and in today's video, I'll be showing you how to draw King Caesar as a Sonic character. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now, start off with our Sonic King Caesar character. We are going to begin with the eyes. Now, I'm going to begin right here, and what I want to do is I'm just going to make a line that's just going to kind of curve up like this. Then I'm going to leave some space, and I'm going to do that same thing. I'm just going to kind of curve it up. Make this one just a tad bit longer. Next, right here, I'm going to draw lines just going to kind of curve up and down. Then I'm going to make a little curve here and a little curve here. I'm going to bring these lines right around here. Then, starting here, I'm just going to kind of curve this line up, and I'm going to curve this line down. Now, starting here, I'm going to make some little points here, and then I'm going to make some little points on this side. Then I'm going to draw a line, so it's going to come down and then up here. I'm going to draw a line, so it's going to kind of come up, and we're going to go down to here. Make a line across with a big point for a tooth. Now, right here, I'm going to make a line that's just going to kind of be a spiral. Then I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up and then curve into here. I'm going to make a little line that comes a little bit farther from the eye. Then I'm going to make some little points that are going to come down. Right here, I'm going to make a long, skinny oval shape, and I'm going to color in most of it, leaving a tiny bit white. And then same thing here, long, skinny one, leaving just a tiny bit white. Now, starting up here, I'm going to make the top of the head. So I'm just going to make some kind of pointy, wiggly lines. Then I'm going to make a line that's going to come up and then down. We're going to make some points, and we're going to bring it up. Then over here, I'm going to do that same thing, kind of come up and down. Make a few points, and then we're just going to bring this up, and then a line down here. Next, I'm going to make some kind of pointed little lines down here, and some more pointed lines down here. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a few lines. They're just going to kind of come down and then back up. Then I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve in. Then I'm going to come down. I'm going to curve over. And then I'm going to bring this line up. Right here, I'm going to bring this line down. I'm going to curve down, or we're going to go straight down at an angle a little bit farther. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to add just some little kind of points here and curve around. Then I'm going to make a line that's just going to curve up and down. We're going to bring it back and up to here. I'll also put a little curve here. And a little line across the bottom of the shoe. I'm going to bring this up and then into here. Over here, I'm going to make this kind of pointed curve line. Little line curve here. Make this line kind of come down and then over and up. I'm going to bring this line over. Then we'll make a line that's just going to come across here and across here. And we'll put two little kind of curved circle shapes on there. I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down and up. I'm going to do some curved lines across, and then a couple lines coming down. Now, right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come down. We're going to go over. I'm going to make a big curve on here. I'm going to go over and then in. We're going to make some fur on here like this. We'll make a small curve to kind of show where that ring is on the wrist. I'm going to make a line that's going to kind of curve up and around like this. Now I'm going to bring this down, curve it up and around. Make another one that curves up and around. One more here, and then one coming out here. We'll bring this over and put a little curve here. Next, we're going to bring this line down, curve it down and up. And we're going to put some more points here for some fur. Curve a line here, and then make another curve here. I'm going to bring this line up and around for the thumb. Now I'm going to curve this line down, and we'll bring it up for a finger. One here, and then one coming out here. Then we're just going to connect it here. Now for the tail, I'm going to bring a line that's just going to curve out. We're going to put some big points on it and then just bring it right back in. Now for some detail, we're going to make a little line here and here. Then I'm going to draw a line here and then a line here. We're going to put some little curved lines across to give them a little bit of texture and detail. And there you go. There is your drawing of King Caesar as a Sonic character. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.